You know, guys, we really dodged a bullet last night. We had a lot of snow and rain moving our direction. It all went to the north. In fact, you saw the satellite radar last night. It was all moving to the north. So, you know, we're expecting the worst, but didn't come.
Yeah.
In fact, the roads were not that bad today.
No, not too terrible.
I was glad to see them that way.
They did a good job clearing them up.
They did, but we have colder weather coming back for just a short period.
No.
Not so bad. Not so
A
bad.
short period?
A short period, yeah.
What are we talking? An
We're
hour?
talking, no, a little longer than that. We'll tell you about that just a little bit. Let's go out to the airport and see what's going on. Cloudy skies, 10 degrees after a high of 19. Our low last night, 7 degrees. The record high, 50 in 1981, 64 below in 1934. Joe, that's just for you, in case you're wondering. Sunrise, 10:26 this morning. Sunset, 3:38 this afternoon, giving us 5 hours, 11 minutes of daylight, a gain of almost 6 minutes from yesterday. Here's our photograph for tonight. A pink sunrise sent in by Cortland Blake. Beautiful colors there. Again, if you have a photograph, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Okay, here's what's going on in the satellite picture. You can see all the clouds that were over us to the west, moving rapidly over into Canada now. Skies are clearing behind, which means colder temperatures and no more storms. All the storm track is way down to the south, so we're going to be continuing to look at clearing skies. Elsewhere across the state, looks like a lot of rain and snow across over southeast Alaska. Nice weather around the Anchorage Bowl, 32 degrees there. Up and down the west coast, a little chilly around Nome, 9 degrees there. Even cooler at Barrow, 7 below. Not too bad in Fort Yukon, partly cloudy skies, 18 degrees above. The lower 48 weather, we're talking about nice weather over the western half of the country. Warmed up considerably in Denver from their 12 degrees they had yesterday. Across the rest of the country, a few snowflakes falling around Minneapolis, rain over the deep south. On the satellite and radar, again, you can see that jet stream roaring up the eastern side of the country, bringing, again, mixed rain and snow over much of the eastern half. No more storm systems coming in across the northwest. We are looking at lots of soaking rains over the southeast and an icy mix forming across parts of the deep south there. Colder temperatures coming in. And the new jet stream is showing the jet stream diving way down to across the Great Lakes, but for the most part, warm air over a large portion of the southern half of the country, and that's going to continue. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Flurries expected in Nome, Barrow. We'll see partly cloudy skies in Fort Yukon, 0 degrees for the high in Fort Yukon. Over the interior, isolated snow showers becoming cloudy for Fairbanks and Healy, and over the southeastern sections, rain and snow for Juneau, and periods of rain at Ketchikan, kind of wet there. Over to the southwest, partly cloudy skies at Cold Bay and in Bethel, and snow expected at Kodiak Island. And a little more snow possible for the south central sections, 2 inches of snow at Anchorage, snow in Homer, and 2 to 4 inches of snow expected for Valdez. Time once again for our kids' weather, and this week we're talking with the kids from Pearl Creek Elementary School. And tonight, a young lady with a picture that you're going to enjoy.
I drew this picture, I call it Flight and Lightning, and it's a picture of one of the very few thunderstorms we have here in Alaska, because there's like lots of mountains and stuff. And this is some type of bird flying in the thunder and lightning with the rain, which is all these weird streak things.
That's a nice picture, Athena. And tomorrow night we'll have a young man with a weather question. All right, here's your forecast for tonight. As you can see, we're looking at 6 below for the overnight low, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow's forecast, 2 degrees above, and cloudy skies will continue in the extended forecast. As you can see here, cold temperatures once again returning. 27 degrees below for the overnight low. That'll be probably happening Wednesday and Thursday night, but then we'll rebound for the weekend. Overnight lows dropping, or actually rising to the minus teens and near 0 degrees on Sunday.